Hi, this is Swara Joshi, and for this video I want to give a quick introduction to the computer vision work we are doing for the National Loon Center. I will briefly explain what machine learning is, what object detection means, what YOLO is, and how annotation fits into the whole process. So first, what is machine learning? It is a way of teaching computers to recognize patterns from examples, instead of programming every rule by hand. Rather than writing rules for what a loon looks like, we give a model many loon images. It learns the patterns, and then uses them to make predictions on new images. One kind of machine learning that matters here is object detection. It answers two questions: what is the object and where is it? So instead of just saying an image contains a bird, the model identifies the bird, draws a bounding box around it, and gives a confidence score. For us, that could eventually mean detecting and counting loons in aerial imagery. But before a model can do this, it needs labeled examples, and that process is called annotation. We take an image, find the object we care about, draw a bounding box around it, and give it a label, such as loon. These annotations are what the model learns from, so their quality and variety really matter. For our project, we annotate in CVAT, a computer vision annotation platform. In CVAT, we upload our images, create labels such as loon, nest, fish, or vegetation, and mark the objects directly in each image. Once we have enough labeled data, we export those annotations in a format that can train a detection model. One model family we can use is YOLO, which stands for You Only Look Once. It is designed to detect objects efficiently, finding both their location and their class in a single pass. Our goal is that, once we have enough high-quality annotated loon images, we can train a YOLO model for our own use case that predicts where the loons are in a new image. So if we look at the whole process, it starts with collecting good images. We prepare and annotate them in CVAT, and those annotations become our training dataset. We train a YOLO model, evaluate it, and then use its predictions to help annotate new images. That creates a cycle where better data and better annotations keep improving the model. And that is the bigger picture for our conservation project. The goal is not just to detect an object in an image. It is to take raw drone footage and turn it into structured information that researchers can actually use. So in simple terms, we collect the data, we annotate it, we train the model, and the model helps turn new footage into useful conservation information. That is the basic idea behind the computer vision pipeline we are building. Thank you for watching.